Hi everybody, this is John Frog here, and today I'm doing a review on a product called Dolphin Dividends, which was created by Dawood Islam, and has just come out on the market here in the last couple of days. So what is Dolphin Dividends all about? Well, first of all, it's a program where you can easily create low content books, as previously mentioned. You learn how to market them in secret places. Also, you can perfect for even those who don't speak English. They're easy to follow over the shoulder videos that are included with it. They give you first profits in hours that you want to start this program. And once you get it started, you just rinse and repeat and scale this thing up for weekly earnings. Now, there are some upsells on this, what we call one-time offers. On the front end, Dolphin Dividends is only about $14.95, which is very, very good price on that. But they also have some upsells on that. First of all, Dolphin Dividends Pro version. It's advanced training in a special members areas that will power up and make you 10 times your earnings, and that's only for $17. There's also a one-time offer. Number 2 is the Dolphin Dividends, and it's a super solos. They'll give you solo ads for $87, or there's a downsell for $17, which is pretty good. But they'll send 6 times, Dawood will, super solo ads to his 16,000 membership across all his platforms that he has. There's also a number 3 one-time offer where he'll quadruple resale rights on it. Good price at $95. The downsell on that is $67. You get reseller rights not only to Dolphin Dividends, but also 3 of Dawood's other best-selling products, which is a very, very good thing for that. Also, Dawood's team will create one-time sale number 4. They'll create 5 times and low-content books for you, which is pretty attractive as well, for $197. The downsell on that is $97. Now, what I mean by the downsell? Well, they make you an offer on that, but if you kind of refuse it, they'll come back and drop the price for it. So that's pretty much how that works in this business, and a lot of people do that. One-time offer number 5, launch a product with Dawood. Now, that's a $997, no downsell on that, but he'll walk with you, help you find your product, and he will walk you through this, and everybody that has ever done this with him has been very, very successful in that. Okay, and what are some of the benefits that you may be interested in getting this product? Well, first of all, there's no actual work. You make other people do all the work for you. In other words, it's just a lot of cut and paste operation on your part, very little work at all, and you can make money with this. It's a new, unique software, and they do include training with it. They do have seminars and training videos included in this. It's 100% newbie friendly, but it's also powerful, equally powerful for advanced marketers. Proven profitable over and over again. This is not something brand new out of the box. People have been doing these kind of programs for a long time, and they find that they are still a demand for them. And so people are buying these things, and they do like them. It works pretty much in any niche. I don't care what you're into or what your favorite interest is. You can apply it to this and make it work for you. It works right now. It doesn't take a whole lot of time to set it up, and all traffics are built in. So that's very, very interesting. And another thing that they don't mention here is once you get one of these set up, you put it out on the net and it just sits there, and it can generate, and it can be there for months or even years and still generate money for you over and over again, which I think is very attractive. Well, and like we said, the base price on this product is $17, but when you purchase it, there are some what we call free bonuses that are included with this, and Wood has included several of them here. The first one is called Printly, and really it's a way for you to learn how to easily income streams, making incomes with print on demand, which is a very, very good and attractive product. The bonus, number 2 free bonus, is called Raken. It's been around for a while, but it's a very, very good program. You can make serious money selling old antique clothing on eBay. Also, I've noticed recently where some people are even making good money selling used high-quality shoes on eBay as well. Bonus number 3 is Panda Payments. Learn the secrets to recruiting or to recurring monthly income. Do the work once and get paid over and over again. I can tell you personally that this is a very good program. Bonus number 4 is a unique CPA masterclass. Make money daily without ever needing to sell a single thing. And also free bonus number 5 is expired domains master list. You can flip domains and make profits every week. What that basically is a lot of people have picked up some very prime domain names, but apparently for one reason or another their business didn't go and they pretty much abandoned them. So you can pick those up with keyword type domain names and resell them for very, very good profits. Also, along with this, I'm also going to include some of my own free bonuses with this. The first one I'm going to include is this one on how to write compelling headlines. And you have to understand that the first thing somebody sees when they click on your page is the headline. So you have to learn exactly how to write killer headlines that will capture your audience attention. The next bonus that I'm going to include in this is a content marketing guide. And this is how to make money with less effort using these killer content marketing tips. So there's some basic tips on what you can use in your marketing campaigns to get more customers. Now, the third thing that I'm going to include in that is a chat bot review. Learn the secrets to saving insane amounts of time and money by using chat bots, and they are becoming more and more popular on the scene. And this other one here that I'm going to include for free as a free bonus is killer blogging conversation tips. Learn the secrets to increase your blog's conversions with these proven tips, and there's a lot of good content in there for you to take your blog to a higher level. Okay, and lastly, I do want to mention that there is a 30-day money-back guarantee. So no risk. If you try it and decide it's not for you, then you can ask for a refund and get your money back. Now, I'm going to, at the bottom of this page, in the description area, I will put a link there. But if you're interested in this product, you can click on that link and it will take you to the buyer page where you can purchase this product. Also, if you do purchase this product, I also will include my personal email address. And once you purchase your product, just copy your invoice and send that to my email address, and I will send you my personal bonuses. So, as I said, I think this is an excellent program. It can help you out, get started, and start generating cash revenue on the internet. And I think it'll be a really fun little project. So best to you, and I hope you do real well with it.